used to produce the desired voltage level? Is that transformer or capacitor? Ano po yung tumpak na choice? Okay, transformer, no? Sabi ni Miss Gwenny dito. Of course, yan po ay tumpak. Okay, magdiwang po, no? Lahat na nagpili ng ating transformer. Tandaan po natin, pag sinabi po nating transformer, ito po yung electrical device natin or electronic device mismo, no? Na ginagamit natin to increase or step up, di ba? Or decrease or step down voltage levels in our AC or alternating circuit. Okay, yan po yung ating transformer. But of course, yung ating capacitor dito, tandaan po natin, ito po yung electronic device po natin, no, na kayang-kaya po niya mag-store ng electrical energy in an electric field and is mainly used for filtering, timing, or smoothing signals. Okay, yan po yung ating capacitor. But of course, we're talking about here yung klase ng device na nagpo-produce po no, ng desired voltage level. Yan po yung ating transformer. We go to another question here. A connection of two or more devices linked together to exchange information, resources, or services. Ano po yan? System or network. Tama ba yung network natin? Of course, yan po ay tumpak. Okay? Tandaan po natin, no, pag sinabi nating network teachers, ito po yung connection no, ng ating two or more devices linked together para makapag-exchange po ng information, resources, or services. Commonly, ginagamit po natin ito no, or makikita po natin in our computing and telecommunication.